Hi everyone, this is a video to run through the assessment 1 question and will be used as a reference guide to help you along to complete your first assessment with us in Comms Tech and Practices, reflection, video and log. Let me take you through very quickly to the Moodle guide, which you have access to already, I believe. Now, if you see on your screens, let's just take a look at the first assessment. It's a 20% assessment due at the end of August, and you are required to produce 1 reflective video and provide us with a work log as well. A 3 to 5 minute video in pairs. Now, we encourage you to find a partner either from your tutorial group or someone you got to know across the other groups as well, or a friend that you've already signed up with. Please just establish this on your own. We're keeping it really democratic for you to choose your own partner. Bear in mind, SOPs are in place now with the current situation. So if you need to meet physically, just ensure that you are adhering to all the social distancing, mask wearing, hand washing procedures. Okay. Alternatively, you can record your video on Zoom. You can do a discussion across and decide what you want to say for your video and then work through that. Okay. In your 3 to 5 minute video, please demonstrate that you have an understanding of the two polar opposites. You will also have 2 examples of case studies, and we will want to see you reflect your understanding and application of those theories on your case studies. Now, to remember, technical aspects, fancy graphics, all sorts of CGI will not be assessed here. We will be assessing based on the content of what you say to the video or to your partner, and also your work log. Now, let me just take you through to the marking guide. It's a very simple one, but just hopefully it helps you along in preparing for this assessment. Now, you will be marked on your understanding of technological determinism and social determinism. You will be also marked on what type of case studies you decide to discuss in your video, and you will be marked on the log. Now, before we go to the log, just remember the bulk of the mark will come from your demonstration of understanding the 2 different positions, the 2 different communication theories, and also what examples you give. Now, very quickly, just to show you a marking guide, I don't think you can see this now on your own, so please take a snapshot or pause the video and make some notes. We want to be able to see you show an excellent understanding and explanation of the theories in your own words, please. So please remember that. And then the rubrics are there with excellent, strong, adequate, basic. And if you fail to provide any understanding, then you don't get any marks for this section. That's 35. Adequacy of examples. So excellent demonstration of examples, maybe complex application of the theory, or your explaining of the case studies is very clear and easy for us to understand. And then again, the rubrics goes down. And if you fail to provide any case studies in your video, there will be no marks given. Now, we move on to the research log. The research log has 30 points, which is pretty good pretty significant as well. If you want to be scoring well for this video, we want to be able to understand the information you give us. So please, if you're looking for high distinction, excellent demonstration of a well-written and clear work log to show the share of assignments between teammates. This is to help us assess group activity virtually. So you present your information clearly, present your information with no errors, no grammatical errors, and efficiently. We don't need bombastic words. We need clear, concise information so we can understand what you have been doing throughout the video preparation. And again, it goes down to the rubrics, to the marking guide. Remember that if you don't submit a working log along with your video, we won't be looking at your marks. This is again coming back to helping us assess the assignments virtually. As you know, there are challenges. We're working online, so we're hoping to try to address this with this work log. So that is it for now. Please watch this video again and again if you're unsure of the instructions, or if you can't make any of the tutes, or you can't get yourself on Discord. This is available for you to download and digest and comprehend. See you very soon in your group tutorials.